Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about a KASPA USDT trading pair with my customer set updates. Let's dive in, guys. Never say never, because you remember I shared with you the targets and the charts. So one day definitely we're gonna drop to close that main monthly gap. And here we test it and stop it at 0.61 level by FIP of this range. So we got a gap, and so this is it. 6 cents, 90. We test it. Technically, the full fill is a 5.10.30. I don't think so. We will drop to the full fill. And it was so obvious, when we formed the three drives pattern, right? 1, 2, 3, and the drop. Of course, I waited around here because it's a monthly frame. I waited the drop around here on the KASPA. Yes, we dump it, but after that, they formed another new high, new all-time high, because I waited on the, 1, 2, 3. I waited here. So yes, I waited earlier, but then we hit the new all-time high. So sometimes it's happened, three drives pattern. We can't know on which time frame we will form it. So technically, should we drop lower like this one? I don't see any reason, because anyway, we can't drop forever. Technically, if it's a range, we can form deviation at the bottom and then form deviation at the top. And maybe that 22, 24, 25 cents is going to be the top again for the KASPA. It's hard to say now. KASPA already made crazy gains, guys. So this is a crypto ticker, and you remember KASPA being at 0.3017. It's a madness. Even on the max, since the listing on the max, the stock can pump pretty crazy. So take a look, 60,000% gains. So the people, 80,000% gains. It's unbelievable gains. You remember the charts on KASPA USDT on a max when we listed? Here also it was a FIB trend extension. So we got a impulse FIB, and here we test it and stop it at 3.61 and come back and test here 0.61 also. So technically, I don't see any reason why we have to drop lower. But to buy now or not, it's only up to you, because, for example, if you believe, of course, in $1 for KASPA, you can buy now. But once again, if you believe in $1, it means you wait like 1,000% gains from these current prices, 1,300. Maybe we're gonna see this one. I don't believe in $1 for KASPA now, so. Maybe in the future, yes, maybe not, guys. Now it's a 7 cents. The token traded just in May somewhere 3 at 1 cent. So of course I understand it was just hands rotating, right? So the people just sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and now we drop it here. So maybe these guys who bought it here now out at a tiny profit. Then we move higher, and the same guys who buying here waited, selling here in tiny profit will buy them back here. So we can't know, guys. Don't think if somebody buying here, he sell exactly here. No, he can buy in here, sell in here, buy in here again, sell in here, buy in here, and now in losses. So on chain, even it's everything transparency. The people can have different wallets. The people can cut some losses, add a new position, I don't know, cover some losses with another token. So guys, there's million variations. So not everything so simple. If somebody buying here and diamond hand hold till the top. In this current moment, nobody could predict, so that was the top. Of course, now it's after the fact, we can say that. But in a moment, we can't say, oh, I'm out at 20 cents, 0.6, because it was a top. Nobody know the future. Nobody know what's going on now even. So we work only with the comfortable zones. If 7 cents now comfortable zone, comfortable price for you, you can accumulate, of course, because it's a logical entry. So 61 level by FIB, by monthly gap. So we close, test. We got April, May ahead. So maybe we're gonna pump. Let me show you the indicators on a global chart. I can't show you the ADZ because it's a ticker global one, but take a look. All this same period I showed you, it was top, and now we dump it on direction on the weekly time frame, but there's no accumulation signal on the weekly. It's kind of bad. I million times explained to you the worst things here. We waste a lot of time. We waste the time with expectations. So here, finally, we never seen the capitulation zone on the KASPA. Here, it started by end of January, beginning of February. Here, this is February. So this is a capitulation by market mode on the weekly time frame. So now it's more logical time to buy accumulated token. Take a look at the money power trade on. Sell, drop, buy back, buy back, buy back. No signal to buy. Here's the money inflow. No new money inflow. So guys, just in case it was a sell, no signal to buy. So yes, we can drop to the full fill. I told you it can be the drop if BTC will follow the trend down, right? And BTC now around the corner, so we can drop and dump under the star indicator dots. You can open the chart of BTC. Alts will drop also lower, much lower. That's why the 5 cents is possible. 5 cents possible, and there will be only the question. So if we drop here, for example, in March, how fast and how high we will recover back in April, May. So it can be the recover back to 20 cents again. Then summer consolidation, it's one global range and going higher. It means the cycle will be extended, and the alts will move. The main moves on alts will be in zone 26. Maybe. So this is it, guys. Take profit. This is what I would like to show you. The people won't believe here when I share it. So at 16 cents, I shared it, so we can drop to the buy line. Buy line that time was 3 cents. Of course, it sounds weird. Now we come back and test at 7 cents. For the amount wallet of this token, now it's 5 cents, 85. Daily time frame for the amount wallet, it's 5 cents, 85. Same story. 12 time frame. Yes, we try and hold the line at around the buy line, but yes, we get all chances to drop lower to the 5 cents, 85. This one. And for the amount wallet of this token, it's 5 cents round number. So guys, my conclusion for KASPA, I don't think so the 20 cents was the all-time high for KASPA. I still think we will pump higher. Not so much, you know, but yes, we will see new all-time high for KASPA, and just a matter of time. Or this spring, but I can't even imagine how these two candles should look like. Or autumn 2025. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about KASPA. If you'd like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.